Hello, guys. Welcome to Quiz and Quotes. We are in the continuation of the MCQs related to history. Though there are so many videos are there on this channel on the different subjects, I'll request to explore the channels on the playlist. And we have covered more than thousands of videos on different subjects. So this will definitely help you to grow in your competitive examinations. And we select the questions with topmost priority, with its importance and its validity. So go and explore the channels. And now for this time, let's continue with this video where we're going to discuss 30 odd questions related to history under MCQ form, under multiple choice questions form. So now let's go ahead with the next question. Indian Military Academy is located in which city? Indian Military Academy is located at which city? And the options are A. Simla, B. Mussoorie, C. Dehradun, D. Lucknow. Indian Military Academy is located in which city? Options are A. Simla, B. Mussoorie, C. Dehradun, D. Lucknow. And the right answer is Dehradun. Dehradun is a place where Indian Military Academy is situated. Next question. When the Indian Military Academy was established? When the Indian Military Academy was established? And the options is A. 1901, B. 1932, C. 1915, D. 1944. And the right answer is 1932. So Indian Military Academy was established in 1932. Next question. Which of the following state do not share border with Bangladesh? Which of the following states do not share border with Bangladesh? The options are A. Tripura, B. Assam, C. Mizoram, D. Again Mizoram. Okay. So the right answer is Assam. Assam is the state which do not share border with Bangladesh. Next question. Which state has the lowest positive population growth rate in India? Which state of India is having lowest population growth rate? And the options are A. Mizoram, B. Goa, C. Sikkim, D. Kerala. And the right answer is Kerala. Kerala has the lowest positive population growth rate in India. Next question. In which state the Kanha National Park is located? In which state the Kanha National Park is located? The option is A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Odisha, C. Karnataka, D. Kerala. And the options are right answer is Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, Kanha National Park is located. The next question is which one is the biggest national park in India by area? The biggest national park in India by area. And the options are Namdapha National Park, option B Hemis National Park, C Sundarbans National Park, D Bandipur National Park. I repeat the options: Namdapha National Park, Hemis National Park, Sundarbans National Park, and Bandipur National Park. And the options are Hemis National Park. Next question: which one is the first state in India built on the linguistic basis? Which one is the first state in India built on the linguistic basis? Option is A. Haryana, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Assam. And the right answer is Andhra Pradesh, based on the Andhra language. Now, next question. The largest source of power supply in India is A. Hydroelectric, B. Thermal, C. Renewable, D. Nuclear. The right answer is thermal. Thermal is the largest source of power supply in India. Next question. The Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats meet at. The Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats meet at which option? Option A. Nilgiri Hills, B. Cardamom Hills, C. Annamalai Hills, D. Palani Hills. The Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meet at which place? And the right answer is Nilgiri Hills. Next question. Tungabhadra and Bhima are the tributaries of. Tungabhadra and Bhima are the tributaries of option A. Narmada, option B. Mahanadi, Option C, Krishna. Option D, Kaveri. Tunga, Bhadra and Bhima are the tributaries of which river? A. Narmada. B. Mahanadi. C. Krishna. D. Kaveri. And the right answer is Krishna. Next question. National Sugar Institute is located at which place? A. Varanasi. B. New Delhi. C. Kanpur. D. Lucknow. And the right answer is Kanpur. Next question. Where was India's first computer installed? And the options are A. Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Indian Iron and Steel Company Limited, Burnpur. Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta. Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. And the right answer is Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta. Next question. India's first glass mosque is located in. Option A, Agra. Option B, Shillong. Option C, Kolkata. Option D, Uti. The right answer is Shillong. In Shillong, first glass mosque is located. Next question. Which one is the original source from where the Indian national motto Satyamev Jayate was adopted? Option A, Mukad Upanishad. Option B, Prashna Upanishad. Option C, Sham Veda. Option D, Yajur Veda. And the right answer is Mundak Upanishad. Mundak Upanishad is a place from which that Indian national motto Satyamev Jayate is adopted. Next question. Which national highway connects Delhi and Mumbai? And the option is National Highway 1, National Highway 5, National Highway 8 and National Highway 9. The right answer is National Highway 8. Next question. How many coastal states are located in India? And the options are 7, 9, 11 and 12. 7, 9, 11 or 12. And the answer is 9. There are 9 states located in India having the coastal states. Now, in which state the National Institute of Nutrition is located? The options are A, Andhra Pradesh. B, Tamil Nadu. C, Kerala. D, Madhya Pradesh. And the right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which one of the following is India's first atomic research reactor? And the options are option A, Buddha. Option B, Apsara. Option C, Indira. And D, none of the above. The right answer is Apsara. Apsara is India's first atomic research reactor. Next question. India's only naval aviation museum is located in. Naval Aviation Museum in India is where? A, Karnataka. B, Kerala. C, Tamil Nadu. D, Goa. The right answer is Goa. Next question. The Disaster Management Act was enacted in India in the year. The Disaster Management Act when enacted in India. The options are option A, 2003, option B, 2005, option C, 2007, option D, 2010. And the right answer is 2005. In 2005, the Disaster Management Act was enacted in India. Next question. The headquarters of Western Air Command of Indian Air Force is located at. The headquarters of Western Air Command of Indian Air Force is located at, and the options are option A, Nagpur, option B, Mumbai, option C, Jodhpur, option D, New Delhi. And the right answer is New Delhi. In New Delhi, the headquarters of Western Air Command of Indian Air Force is located. Next question. The aircraft carrier Admiral Gorshkov, which was bought by India from Russia, is named as option A, INS Godavari, B, INS Trishul, C, INS Vikramaditya, D, INS Vetal. The aircraft carrier Admiral Gorshkov is named in India as what? And the right answer is INS Vikramaditya. Next question. How many states in India have legislative council? Or you can say in India called Vidhan Parishad. Options are A, 6, B, 8, C, 11, D, 12. The right answer is 6. Next question. Which industry is the maximum consumer of water? The answer is here. It is a thermal power. Thermal power is the taking maximum number of water where on the heat we pass the water, it turns into vapor, and the flow of vapor helps to move the turbines from which the electricity generated. Next question. National Police Academy is located at which place? National Police Academy is located at which place? And the options are A. Abu Road, B. Dehradun, C. Hyderabad, D. Bangalore. National Police Academy is located at which place? The options are A. Abu Road, B. Dehradun, C. Hyderabad, D. Bangalore. And the right answer is Hyderabad. Next question. What was the basis of reorganization? What was the basis of reorganization of states in India in the year 1956? What was the basis of reorganization of states in India in the year 1956? And the option is A. Religion, B. Caste, C. Language, D. None of these. And the right answer is language. Next question. In which state Kundankulam nuclear plant is located? In which state Kundankulam nuclear plant is located? And the option is A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, D. Tamil Nadu. Where is this Kundankulam nuclear plant is located? Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. And the right answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which two states are connected by Palakkad Gap? Which two states are connected by Palakkad Gap? And the options are A. Tamil Nadu and Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, D. Kerala and Maharashtra. And the right answer is Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Next question. The first e-passport in India was issued to. The first e-passport in India was issued to. Option A. Shobnath Chatterjee. Option B. Pranab Mukherjee. Option C. Pratibha Patil. Option D. Narendra Modi. The right answer is Pratibha Patil. Next question. The Palk Strait separates India from. The Palk Strait separates India from. Option A. UAE. B. Maldives. C. Sri Lanka, D. Pakistan. And the right answer is Sri Lanka. Next question. The Sariska Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in the state of. The Sariska Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in the state of. Option A. Punjab. Option B. Madhya Pradesh. Option C. Andhra Pradesh. Option D. Rajasthan. And the right answer is Rajasthan. Next question. In which of the following states Garo, Khasi and Jayantiya hills are located? In which of the following states Garo, Khasi and Jayantiya hills are located? The options is A. Jammu Kashmir, B. Manipur, C. Meghalaya, D. Arunachal Pradesh. And the right answer is Meghalaya. Actually, these are the states, Garo, Khasi, Jayantiya hills, where that first refineries of oil in India has been also initiated and developed. Next question. Which one of the following cities also known as Cottonopolis of India? Which one of the following cities also known as the Cottonopolis of India? And the option is A. Ahmedabad, B. Mumbai, C. Surat, D. Kolkata. And the right answer is Mumbai. Next question. Which day is also known as Indian Census Day? Option A. 9th February. Option B. 14th April. C. 29th August. D. 27th September. The right answer is 9th February. Next question. The National Disaster Authority NDMA comes under. Option A. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Option B. Ministry of Urban Development. C. Ministry of Finance. D. Ministry of Home Affairs. And the right answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. Next question. Golden Handshake Scheme in India is related with. Golden Handshake Scheme in India is related with. Option A. Voluntary retirement. Option B. India gold dealers. Option C. Foreign gold dealers in India. Option D. Promoting trade in gold. And the right answer is voluntary retirement. Next question. Which one is the longest river bridge over a single river in India? Longest bridge over a single river in India. And the options are A. Vikramshila Setu, Bihar. Option B. Godavari Bridge, Andhra Pradesh. Option C. Mahatma Gandhi Setu, Bihar. Option D. Dhola Shaidia Bihar, Assam. And the right answer is Dhola Shaidia Bridge in Assam. So guys, we have covered 30 plus questions in this series. Now it's a time for your gift. Since you have given so much time, you learned well, you understood well, you are practicing well. So to get the gift, go to the description box. There is a link there. Click on the link go to the my website where gifts are there. Explore the website. Here we'll find a lifetime opportunity of earning as well as learning. So exercise it, fill the form, let us know. Any question, don't hesitate to email us or connect us in the WhatsApp. Thank you so much. One more thing, if you like this video, please share with your friends and families who are who want to increase their knowledge at the same time want to sit in the competitive examinations. So in the play they will learn more and definitely they are going to get benefit in their career. So thank you so much. God bless you. All the best.